Look at this. Like, we just come outside. Like, what is going on here?
That rocket your mom was talking about.
Huh?
The rocket your mom was talking about.
Here, let me hit that cigarette. What the heck is this, dude? Like, what is going on here? Dude, that is like, look at, it's got a whole tail going all the way down. That ain't no rocket, dude.
My mom said it's something slides through here. What do you think?
No, I just got it. That ain't no SpaceX, dude.
Yes, it is.
No, that's freaking an alien spaceship.
Yeah, the first time I seen it, I thought it was because it was right in front of my car. Calm down, Lexi.
I guess it's a SpaceX.